और तबीयत कैसी है आपकी?
तबीयत तो ठीक है।
अच्छा, मैं क्या हो गया पता है आपको? मैं सोचा आपके लिए ग्लव्स ले लेता हूँ। मास्क एकदम ओरिजिनल है और सैनिटाइज़र है। आप देखिएगा, ख़त्म हो जाएगा, मैं आपको दोबारा दूसरी बोतल ला के दे दूँगा।
मैं शायद परसों चला जाएगा।
हाँ, आप जा रहे हो?
भिवंडी चला जाएगा।
अच्छा, ये छोड़ रहे हैं यहाँ से?
असल में मेरा यहाँ पे इलाज है,
अच्छा,
तो इलाज की दवाई नहीं,
हाँ।
इसलिए वहाँ पे
तो फिर यहाँ तो आपके बिना सन्नाटा हो जाएगा। अरे जरा कब ये जस्ट सी दिस, ये अंकल को सलाम करो, वो अंकल को भी सलाम करो।
चांदी की दुकान है वहाँ पे,
अच्छा,
तो उससे वो
हाँ।
पड़ेगा उसमें मेरे को।
तो वहीं रहोगे आप? भिवंडी में ही रहोगे?
हाँ, मेरे को इलाज की प्रॉब्लम है।
ठीक है। हेलो Zehra, this is my granddaughter Zehra, 2.5 years old, and she is coming first time to Bandra Talao. सबको हेलो बोलो, हेलो बोलो। और चाचा को हेलो नहीं बोला? चाचा को और पिजन को खाना खिलाओगी ना? पिजन को खाना खिलाओगी? ओके, वेरी गुड। मेरे बेटे को कोविड हो गया था, बताया था ना आपको? अभी आ गया हॉस्पिटल से, बहुत खर्चा हो गया, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में था वो।
अभी गुटके पे भी बोलते हैं, गुटके खाने वालों को कोरोना हो रहा है, गुटके पे बैन लगा दिया।
जरा लुक किया, जरा लुक किया, वाह, ये पहली बार आ रही है इधर। सो रही थी, उठाया मैंने। फिर भिवंडी से कब आओगे आप? वो राजू का कुछ पता चला क्या?
कासम था और एक कासम का भाई था।
अरे मालूम है, नबी और कासम दोनों, वो दोनों का इंतकाल हो गया आपने बोला।
एक कासम और आता था,
वो उधर, उन्हें वो नहीं जानता मैं उसको।
लंबा सा है, वो आता है, वो एक दिन आया था।
राजू का पता नहीं है?
राजू का पता नहीं।
राजू माहिम में रहता था, तो उधर भी यही काम करोगे आप भिवंडी पे?
मेरे को थोड़ी बहुत नॉलेज।
अच्छा, हो गया इनका। दिस इज मुस्तकीम भाई, ही इज फ्रॉम हरियाणा एंड यूपी, बिजनौर। ही इज कम हियर टू बांद्रा तलाव। ही इज लिविंग अ लाइफ ऑफ हार्डशिप। जब फ्रॉम द टाइम द लॉकडाउन हैज स्टार्टेड, he came to Bombay, Mumbai. He has no work, so he picked up this trade. And the sad part, he's given me today I've come here after 10 months. I've come here after 10 months after my bypass surgery, and he's telling me that both Qasim and Nabi have expired. This is what he has heard. Raju is not here, and this kind gentleman allows me to shoot him. So Mustaqim bhai stays on at Bandra Talao. He lives here, he sleeps here. I just got him a bottle of water, and I am too scared to get my ears clean. I have not even gone for a haircut last 10 months because of the COVID. I don't want to take a chance. I have diabetes. I have other problems. I had a gallbladder operation. My life has been really miserable because all my savings is gone. The bypass, it was thanks to a friend of mine. that I got operated, but still I spent about 70 to 80,000 rupees. And today, after, as I told you all, I came here to the Talao to meet Mustaqim Bhai. I'm meeting him for the first time. He's a very good man. So he is single-handedly handling the Bandra Talao. So this is the story of a man's life that I wanted to tell you all. This is Mustaqim Bhai, originally from Bijnor. He's been here for last 11 months of the pandemic, and he is the New Year cleaner. According to him, I have no verification whatsoever. Qasim and the two old men, Qasim and Nabi, both died in their hometown, most probably due to COVID-19. Raju, who used to stay at Mahim and was a year cleaner at Bandra Talao, he too has disappeared completely. I have not seen him. When I come this side for some work, I was at Juhu meeting an old contact after almost 55 years. He used to stay in Kulaba where I stay. He needed some clothes to be made, so I had gone to take his measurements, and on my way I thought of saying hello to Mustaqim Bhai. Mustaqim Bhai is a very hardworking guy. Makes ends meet over here. And due to the pandemic and the surge of coronavirus, life is really miserable. I used to get my ears cleaned, but I'm a little scared. Maybe I'll get a sanitizer and give it to Mustaqim Bhai, and then maybe he can clean my ears. But I have not had my ears cleaned last 11 months or more. This is the Bandra Talao. The amazing part is that Mustaqim Bhai has learned ear cleaning over here on his own. He's never done this thing before. And now he's an expert, I think. This is the Bandra Talao. Most of my street stories of the year cleaners were shot here. I will definitely miss Nabi and Qasim. They used to come to my house during Eid. I used to give them Eidi, and I used to give them sweets for Eid. All three of them used to come to my house. मुस्तकिम भाई, अभी आपको 11 महीना हो गया इधर है? हाँ, वही 1 साल, मतलब मार्च में आए थे आप? क्योंकि मार्च 23 को मैं इधर आया था जनता कर्फ्यू में, आपको देखा नहीं मैंने। मार्च 23 तारीख को, 25 तारीख से इधर लॉकडाउन चालू हुआ था. Please like and subscribe to my channel of Peace. I have about 99.5 subscribers on YouTube. Your help will be really appreciated if I can complete 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be really grateful to you all. Thank you. I have had a bypass surgery. My son had COVID-19. He was in hospital for about 10 days. So we were in quarantine for about 14 days. So after a long time, I have come back to Bandra Talao. And my video is more of educational awareness about people's skilled hands, people's life on the other side of the fence.